Hi, I'm Ben Messenger for Waste Management World. We're here at the Ecomondo show in Rimini. I'm with Jorg Schunicht from the Titech stand. Jorg, can you tell us a bit about Titech?
Yeah, Ben, welcome here at the Titech booth in Rimini and Ecomondo show in Italy. Titech is it's a world-leading sensor-based sorting supplier for waste and metal recycling, and we belong to the TOMRA sorting solution family. We are a stock-based company in Oslo, and here we want to attract the people for waste and metal recycling, especially for post-consumer packages, PET bottle, PET flake, e-scrap recycling, end-of-life recycling, so on and so on.
But Jorg, Titech seems to be in so many industries. How do you get your point across to the customers on this stand?
Yeah, quite. We have very good staff and employees, and our people. We are focusing very much to have the best process engineers and to attract the people by the process, because our sensor machines are quite well, but we need good pre-processing and good pre-treatment of the materials. So we are doing quite well by process consulting. We help the people to solve their sorting problems and to get the value.
So Jorg, with so many different technologies, how do you get your information across to your customers?
Well, this is a good question. We have with such a wide bench of applications and machines, our approach is not just focused on the technology. Our approach is to convince the people via explanation the various applications and details.
Excellent. Would you be able to explain some of those to us?
Yeah, sure. You're welcome. For example, here on Ecomondo, our focus is on waste and metal recycling, and especially in metal recycling, we do e-scrap recycling and end-of-life vehicle recycling. And we have invented a quite nice tool where a lot of our know-how is inside to explain. We invented this nice tool, we call it App Desk Machine, where all of our know-how is inside, where we can explain the various fields of applications and recycling details with the processes inside. Yep. So this is a quite good machine for conventions. We can show you an example what we can do with this. So to attract the people, we put in here a lot of details and information, and to see what we are talking about. At least we are talking here about raw materials, so wire recycling, copper recycling, printed circuit boards recovery. This is the play modus, the so-called play modus. And as well, what we're doing here with the export modus, we can jump into the real-world processes, what we are doing here in end-of-life recycling. Oh, okay, here we got it, here we go. And this is very easy and very impressive that we can here show all the information and detail and what is inside, what we're doing with Titech equipment, what is needed to do before that, how the products look alike, and we have screenshot movies. So we believe this is quite impressive.
So does this cover all of Titech's technologies?
Yeah, not that. We are still filling this tool with informations, but I would say 50–60% is inside here. And this is the right approach, because a lot of people are leaving shows without really knowing in detail. Very impressive orange box, but what can I do with this? And I think this is smart and very nice and helpful.
So this must be quite an attraction for your stand here.
Yeah, it is. I think the people. This is not only to present our know-how and why we are number one at sensor-based sorting. I think as well this should show that we are cutting edge.
Yeah.
Not even with our machines, we are always cutting edge technology.
So Jorg, you've explained a little about the Titech CombiSense here. Can you tell us exactly how it works?
Yeah, sure. This is an optical sorting machine. What means this is a camera-based color sorting machine, and we are trained the machine based on the input material. And here we will see pretty soon the separation of non-ferrous metal, upgrade of eddy current output. And this machine needs to be trained by a classifier, and then we eject and separate the material by high-speed air jets.
So what does that training process involve?
Yeah, the train process is involved based on customer input, because everybody needs a little bit different program, and so it's customer designed always.
And what would be a typical capacity for this machine?
Capacity is around about 1.5 and 2.5 tons, depending on the eject rate, of the input, grain size, density. There are freight frame conditions to discuss.
What range of materials can it handle?
Range of materials. The machine, you can operate up to 32 programs here with this machine, and there's There is a limit, but I think there's a wide range of in all of our metal recycling applications. You can cover most of them.
And George, if anybody watching wants to find out where to find more information on Titech, where can they go?
Yeah, where can they go? You can join us on webpage titech.com. You're welcome. You will see our stuff, and you are welcome to ask your detailed application and your needs.
George, thanks for your time. It's been
thank
fascinating.
you. Yeah, let's join the machine.